Hey traders, welcome back to this channel. If today is your first time, my name is Victor, and today we are diving into what separates the winners from the aspirants in Forex, which is their mindsets that separate them. If your emotions keep wrecking your trades or you can't stay consistent, this video is for you. Let's talk about how to build the right trading mindset for long-term success in the Forex market. So if this is your first time, like I said, kindly subscribe now to stay tuned for more of my trading psychology updates and more of my technical strategies that I'll be sharing for free for you and solving all related trading issues. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's talk about why mindset is more important than strategy. There is this truth in trading space that most traders don't fail because they don't know where to enter or to exit. Every trader knows where to enter and where to exit. They fail because they can't manage their emotions. The right mindset keeps you consistent, keeps you focused, and it makes you calm when you are trading the Forex market. The right mindset help you to follow your trading plan, to stay patient, and to bounce back from any losing streak. Mindset is not just a soft skill, it is one of the strongest edge. Now I want us to understand key elements of a strong trading mindset. Let's break down what a winning trading mindset looks like. There are 5 key traits you need to develop, which is: 1 is patience. Waiting for your setup to show up before taking is a very great skill you need to do. You need to be able to have the patience to check things and wait for things to work. If you are forcing trades, your mindset needs to be worked on. You can't keep forcing trade and be a successful Forex trader in the Forex market because it requires your waiting. They said the traders who win the most spend more time waiting for their setup. You only spend few time executing your trades, but waiting for your setup you spend longer time. So patience is a great skill that needs to be developed to achieve a good trading mindset. The other point is discipline. Discipline is all about following your trading plan which you set yourself. Even when it is boring, you find it like the market is just boring, anything that makes you deviate from your trading plan is called indiscipline, and you enter into gambling. And that one is emotional control. You can't be ruled by fear after a loss or greed after a win. The right mindset keeps you in the right level. The other one is confidence without ego. You have to believe in the process but never think you are inevitable, because humility keeps you from blowing up your trading accounts. The other one is long-term thinking. You have to have a long-term thinking. You have to see trading in the next 100 trades. You should not be thinking in the next just 1 trade. Real result comes by compounding and consistency. So how can you start building this trading mindset that we have been talking about? The first is you have to take break after losses. Give your brain the time to reset. Trading while tired is a recipe towards revenge trading. You have to study your mindset books that can help you to trade better, like the Trading in Zone by Mark Douglas. I read that book almost 2 or 3 times. I have the hard copy and also the soft copy. It will help you to have a trading right mindset. Remember, anyone can learn a strategy, but building a strong trading mindset, that is what creates the success over time. If this video helped you, hit that button and subscribe for more on trading psychology and Forex growth. You can also do well to comment what part of this mindset trading guide that you would like to work on. I would like to hear from you. If you have any trading issues that you would like me to solve for you or that you would like me to break down for you, kindly comment your name below and your phone number. I'll message you or even give you a phone call. Have a wonderful time.